Hi everyone, welcome to our vlog. So now we are cooking fish congee. So I am boiling the egg separately and then cooking the rice separately at the same time. So we'll just wait for 10 minutes, and once 10 minutes is up, I'll be putting these fishes. So what's the marinade of the fish? Okay, so I put a half teaspoon of mirin, half teaspoon of soy sauce, and half teaspoon of sesame oils. I follow the recipe from Yummy. I think that's the name of it. And I put it in the fridge for overnight, and I hope it will taste good. So it's 10 minutes now. I'm gonna put the fish inside the cooking rice. Ganon, diba? May pa sound effects. And as you can see here, the eggs is briskly boiling in the water, I'm afraid. Okay, so I'll just give this a quick stir, and then I'll wait for another 10 minutes until the congee, the fish congee, is cooked. Alexa, set timer for 10 minutes. Okay, we still have 3 minutes remaining, so we'll just give this a quick stir to check how is it going. Right, looks like it's doing good. Alexa, stop. Okay, so 10 minutes is up. This is what the fish congee looks like. So we're just gonna put black pepper, a quick dash, maybe that's enough. So you can just adjust it depending on your taste. And then iodine salt. Dumi na nung iodine salt namin. Anyway, lasang pagkain pa rin yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I think that's enough. So if you still want it salty, then you can put more salt into it. So let's give this a quick stir. La 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 la. Okay, so I think this is good already. This looks congee-ish. So the next thing that I'll do now is to peel the eggs. Alright, so this is our finished product, the fish congee. So I put a dash of soy sauce for taste, and later I'll put this chili sauce on top. Let's see how it looks like. It's already here, so let's give this a quick mix, and then tikman natin kung ang lasa. Ay, sana masarap. Or else we don't have any food left in the fridge. Okay. Pwede naman. Laman dyan na. Siguro, if ibibenta to, mga pwede tong pang 20 pesos. Charot, lugi. So, yun. So, that's it for our fish congee. We'll put this chili on the side just in case Jambert would want it more spicy. And then, this is my concoction, my new favorite addiction. It's iced tea lemonade. Okay, so there's a pink lemonade and peach tea mixed together, and then ta-da! So that's my concoction. So that's it. So thank you very much everyone for watching this. I still don't know how to make this better, but just to document my cooking journey, I'll be signing off now. So this is fish congee ni Mochi. Bye-bye. Sabi nung alaga ko, kulang daw ng lasa. So, nilagay namin ito extra virgin anchovy extract. Hindi ko alam kung patis to, pero anchovy. So, siguro patis to. So, nung nilagay daw nito, sumarap naman daw. So, kung sakaling gagayahin itong recipe ko, lagyan nyo ng patis or damihan yung asin. Okay? Bye-bye!